Want to speak English fast?
Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor Channel. Imagine this. You walk into a shop in an English-speaking country. The worker says, "Can I help you?" Do you know what to say? By the end of this episode, you will.
And I promise you will be much better than me, because I once tried to buy shoes and accidentally bought a mop. True story. We'll get to that.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to GFX English Learning Mentor. I am Emily.
And I am Alex. So happy you are here with us today.
Today, we are learning English phrases for shopping. Super useful, super practical.
You can use these phrases in any shop. A clothes shop, a supermarket, a market, anywhere.
Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. It is free and it really helps us.
Click the like button too. Okay, let's go shopping.
So, Alex, do you like shopping?
I like buying things, but I don't always like the process.
What do you mean?
Well, I once went shopping alone in New York City, my first time in a big American mall.
Ooh, exciting.
I wanted to buy a jacket. I walked into a shop, a very nice shop. The worker came up to me and said, "Can I help you?"
That is a very common phrase. Shop workers say this all the time.
I know that now, but then I panicked. I said, "No, thank you. I'm just looking."
That is actually a perfect answer, Alex.
Really?
Yes, "I'm just looking" is exactly what you say. It means, I don't need help yet. I want to browse on my own.
So I said the right thing by accident.
You did. Okay, so listeners, let's remember that. When a shop worker says, "Can I help you?" you can say two things.
Number 1, yes, please, I'm looking for a jacket. Tell them what you need.
Number 2, no thank you, I'm just looking. You want to browse alone.
Browse means look around the shop without buying yet.
Great word, Alex. To browse, you are just looking at things. No pressure.
So what happened with the jacket?
Yes, tell us the rest.
So I found a jacket I liked. I wanted to know the price, so I looked for a price tag, but I couldn't find one.
Oh, that happens sometimes, especially in small boutique shops.
So I had to ask. I walked up to the worker and I said, "How much is this jacket, please?"
Perfect. How much is this? That is the most important shopping phrase.
She said, "It's $250, and my face went like this.
Too expensive?
Way too expensive, so I needed another phrase fast.
And that phrase is, "That's a bit expensive. Do you have anything cheaper?"
Cheaper means lower price, less money.
Right. Cheap means low price. Cheaper is the comparing word.
She showed me another jacket. It was $100. Still expensive for me, but I bought it anyway because it looked great.
Good choice, Alex. Okay, so we have learned some great phrases already. Let's keep going.
What about when you want to try something on, like clothes?
Oh, yes, very important. You say, "Can I try this on, please?"
Try on means put the clothes on your body to check if they fit.
The worker will show you the changing room. That is the small room where you change clothes.
And then what if the size is wrong, too big or too small?
You say, "Do you have this in a smaller size?" Or, "Do you have this in a larger size?"
Simple and clear. I love it.
And if they don't have your size, they might say, "I'm sorry, we're out of stock."
Out of stock means they don't have it right now. The shop has none left.
Exactly. It is a very common phrase in shops. Good to know.
Okay, I have another story. This one is about the mop.
Yes, please tell us the mop story.
So I was in a shop. I wanted to buy a floor cleaner, like a cleaning liquid, for the floor.
Okay.
But my English was not so good. I went to the worker and I said, "Excuse me, where is the floor cleaner?"
That sounds right.
But she thought I meant a mop. A mop is the stick with a cloth on the end. You push it on the floor.
Ah, so you got a mop.
I got a mop. I didn't even realize until I got home. I just nodded and smiled and bought it.
Alex,
I didn't know how to say no, that is not what I meant. I didn't know how to explain.
that is very relatable. So the lesson here, it's okay to say, sorry, I don't think that's right.
Or you can use your phone. Show a picture of what you want. That always works.
Great tip. Okay, let's do a vocabulary recap before our role play. Let's review the key words and phrases so far. Are you ready?
Ready.
Phrase 1. Can I help you? The shop worker says this. It means they want to assist you.
Phrase 2. I am just looking. You say this. It means you want to browse alone.
Phrase 3. How much is this? You say this to ask the price.
Phrase 4. Can I try this on? You say this before going to the changing room.
Word 5. Cheaper. It means lower price, less money.
Phrase 6. Out of stock. The shop doesn't have that item right now.
And word 7. Browse. To look around the shop without buying yet.
7 great words and phrases. Now, role play time.
Okay, everyone. Alex and I will act out a real shopping situation. Listen carefully.
I am a customer. I am shopping for a gift. Emily is the shop worker.
We will speak naturally. Then we will explain the phrases after. Ready?
Let's go.
Hello, can I help you today?
Yes, please. I am looking for a scarf. It is a gift for my mother.
Of course. We have scarves over here. Follow me.
Thank you. Oh, I like this one. How much is it?
That one is $35.
Do you have anything cheaper?
Yes, this one is $20. It is also very popular.
Oh, that is nice. Can I have it in blue? This one is red.
Let me check. I'm sorry, the blue one is out of stock.
That is okay. I will take the red one. Can I pay by card?
Of course. The till is right over there.
Thank you so much. You have been very helpful.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
And scene. How was that?
I think that was great. Did you catch all the phrases?
Can I help you? The worker said that first.
I am looking for a scarf. Alex told her exactly what he needed.
How much is it? Asking the price. Always important.
Do you have anything cheaper? Asking for a lower price option.
Out of stock. The blue scarf was not available.
And one new phrase. Can I pay by card? This means you want to use a credit or debit card.
Not cash, a card. Very common today.
The worker might say, of course. Or she might say, sorry, cash only. Good to know before you pay.
And the till. That is the place where you pay, like the checkout counter.
In some countries, people say the register or the checkout. They all mean the same thing.
So many useful phrases in one short role play.
Let's learn 2 more before Alex's bonus tip.
Okay, what are they?
First, do you have a bag? Some shops charge money for bags, so it is good to ask.
The worker might say, yes, it's 20 cents, or yes, it's free. Free is always the best answer.
Second, can I get a receipt, please? A receipt is the small paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid.
Very important if you need to return something later.
Return means bring the item back to the shop. Maybe it is broken or the wrong size.
You might say, I would like to return this, please. Simple and polite.
And the shop worker will ask, do you have your receipt? So always keep your receipt.
Alex's life advice number 1. Okay, my favorite part, bonus tip time.
What is your tip this week, Alex?
So here is the thing. Many people feel nervous in shops. They forget their phrases when they are standing in front of a real person.
That is so true. Nerves make us forget.
So my tip is practice shopping at home before you go out.
How?
Simple. Pick up any item in your house, a book, a cup, a shoe, anything.
Okay.
Now pretend you are in a shop. Look at the item, say out loud, excuse me, how much is this? Then say, can I try this on? Even if it is a cup.
That is a funny picture. Trying on a cup.
It sounds silly, but it works. Your mouth gets used to saying the phrases, so in a real shop, the words come out easily.
Muscle memory. Your mouth learns the phrases, just like a sport.
Exactly. Practice at home, then go out and use it for real. You will be surprised.
I love that tip. Simple, free, and it works.
And nobody will judge you for talking to a cup.
Okay, everyone, let's wrap up. What did we learn today?
We learned English phrases for shopping.
You learned to say, "Can I help you?" and "I'm just looking."
You learned how much is this and do you have anything cheaper?
You learned, "Can I try this on?" and "out of stock."
You learned can I pay by card and can I get a receipt?
And you heard Alex's mop story.
Never forget the mop story. Let it inspire you.
Now, here is our comment question for you. Write your answer below.
The question is, what do you like to shop for? And do you prefer shopping online or in a real shop?
Tell us in the comments. We read every single one.
If this episode helped you, please give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to GFX English Learning Mentor for a new episode every week.
Share this video with a friend who wants to learn English. Help them too.
Thank you so much for watching. You are amazing learners.
Keep practicing, keep growing. You are doing great.
See you next time. Bye.